Hello everybody, let's know about the CSS is Cascading Style Sheet. Cascading Style Sheet fondantly refers to the CSS is a simple design language instead to specify the process of making the web page presentable. CSS handles the look and the feel of a part of web page. Using CSS you can control the color of the text, the style of the font, spacing between the paragraphs, how column are sized and laid out, what background image or the color are used, layout design, variation in display for different devices and screen size as well as variety of other effects. CSS is easy to learn and understand but is provide powerful control over the presentation of HTML document. Most commonly CSS is a combination of markup language HTML or ZHTML. Advantages of learning CSS. First is creating a stunning website. CSS handle the look and the feel a part of the web page. Using CSS you can control the color of the text, the style of the font, the spacing between the paragraph, how column are sized and laid out, what background image or color are used, layout design, variation in display for different devices and screen size as well as a variety of other effects. Become a web designer. If you want to start a career as a profession web designer, HTML and CSS design is must skill. Control web. CSS is easy to learn and understand but is provide powerful control over the presentation of any HTML document. Most commonly CSS is combination with markup language which is HTML or XHTML. Learn other language. Once you understood the basic of HTML and CSS, then other related technical like JavaScript, PHP or Angular are becoming easier to understand. Developing the style sheet. A CSS compress a style rule that are interrupted by the browser and then applied to corresponding element in your document. A style run in made of three parts. Selector. It is an HTML tag at which a style will be applied. This could be any tag like h1 or table tag. Next is the property. A property is a type of the attribute of HTML tag, but simply all the HTML attributes are converted into CSS property. They could be color, border, etc. Next is value. Value are assigned to properties. For example, color property have a value either red or green, etc. You can put CSS style run syntax as follow. Here selector implies the table value and declaration implies the property and values which are the size, border and color. You can define selector in various simple ways based on your comfort. Certain rule for style HTML sheet. First, if more than one property is specified, then they should be separated by semicolon. As we can see through example, alignment and color is separated through semicolon. Second, group of selector in possible if they have a same property. In such a case, selector are separated by comma. Like shown in the example, h1 and h2 are separated through commas. Third, if user want to define the different style for the same element, then class attribute is used. Moving to the class selector, you can define style rule based on a class attribute of element. All element having that class will be formatted according to the defined rule. These rules render the content in a black from various with the class attribute set to black in our document. Next is the IP selector. You can define style rule based on the ID attribute of element. All the element having this ID will be formatted according to the defined rule. Thank you.